And I said another cool thing that I've done with the cat automation is I like to, as much as possible, like I said before, buy things cheap and made them from dumb into smart devices. Obviously, you buy purpose-made things. They're probably going to have a subscription or a connection to the cloud or something. So I bought a really cheap because we got her during winter. It was really cold. She actually had fleas when we got her as well, so there was a chance of her getting what's the word? Not pneumonia, anemic. I wanted to keep her as warm as possible. So I got a little. It's like a, I don't know, like maybe 10-inch by 10-inch heated mat that you just plug straight into the mains. And we have switches in the UK on our directly next to our socket, so you switch it on, switch it off. So I've got that plugged into a Zigbee. At the time it was a Wi-Fi switch, and then I repurposed the printer Zigbee switch to what is now a cat bed switch. Right. And then I've got an ESP module, and I bought a like a pressure pad so that it goes under like a car seat. Okay. I think I saw the idea online, actually. I will not take credit for this whatsoever. That's just connected straight to the ESP module, and it basically just sends a on or off signal, which then turns the bed on or off, so it can detect whether she's actually on the bed or not, so that it's not using energy constantly.
That's cool.
And then, when she steps off the bed, 15 minutes goes by, turns off, she comes back, and she eventually learned that she could do that. And she just now, whenever she goes into the bed, she's on there for hours.
That's awesome.
It's good that the pressure sensor is sensitive enough to be able to pick that weight up too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not too sensitive either, so like it wouldn't trigger until she's fully on it. Mm-hmm. I tested it by putting a couple of light objects on it first, and then something roughly about her size, and she happened to just be at the right weight that it triggered it. It triggered it straight away.
Right.
You should get into sort of weird positions, like right on the corner of it, and then they wouldn't trigger. But like I said, eventually she learned that she had to sit in the middle of the bed, and then it would trigger.
That's nice. Well, it's almost like you got it trained for that, right? Like it's.
Yeah, she knows it's there.
That's right. That's funny.